Hello everyone, and welcome back to MindRide. Today, we'll delve into the world of virtual reality and the ethical dilemmas it presents. These concerns are vital to consider, especially in the context of the gaming industry and beyond. Our first concern is desensitization and virtual criminality. Virtual reality has the potential to desensitize users, particularly in games with high levels of violence or military training scenarios involving simulated combat and killing. This concept of desensitization means that individuals may become less affected by extreme behaviors, such as violence, leading to a lack of empathy and compassion. In some cases, they actively seek out these scenarios for the adrenaline rush and sense of power. This phenomenon is particularly noticeable among gamers, especially those who engage in first-person shooters or role-playing games that provide a high degree of immersion. Gamers, in particular, have been observed to exhibit this desensitization effect, often blurring the lines between the virtual and real world. But what's even more alarming is the issue of cyber addiction. Some individuals become so engrossed in virtual reality games that they begin to lose sight of the boundary between their virtual and real lives. This excessive immersion can take a significant toll on their real-world well-being. Our next ethical concern is virtual criminal activities. Imagine a scenario where a crime is committed within a virtual environment. What happens when someone gets injured or traumatized due to the actions of another person in this virtual space? Can virtual actions have real-world consequences? And should perpetrators be punished similarly to those who commit crimes in the physical world? These questions are part of an ongoing discussion. Can a virtual reality participant genuinely experience pain, distress, or other emotions associated with criminal acts? It's a complex issue that needs to be addressed. In conclusion, while virtual reality offers a world of possibilities and benefits, we must also acknowledge these ethical concerns. They might represent only a small portion of the broader VR landscape, but they are crucial to consider as this technology continues to evolve. Thank you for joining us on this Mind Ride. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, keep exploring the world of technology with an open mind. Until next time, keep riding the waves of knowledge with Mind Ride.